All right. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do any kind of publishing on this or not, but yeah, just for the shits and grins of it. I located the airplane and verified to be 70 feet up with the Bebop quad. But it's stuck in this tree here, and it's really tucked in there. So I'm going to go ahead and extend all the poles out and see if I have 70 feet worth of pipe here. Or I don't know. I'm kind of thinking I might not, but I'll find out here pretty soon. So, God, this is crazy. But yeah, I know I've been able to get a lot of reach with these poles before, so I guess we'll find out. All right. Well, hell, I'm about 10 feet short on that thing, even when I extend that pole all the way up. Yeah, there's almost no way to really see it from the ground unless you're looking directly at it. And I can see it from here. It's right at the top of the pole. It's a sneaky little son of a gun. Yeah, I don't know. I've got two other windsurf masts that are about, I think, about 12 feet combined length. It might actually be enough, but I have to go and dig them out of the shed. So guess we'll find out. Just verify it again. It's 70 feet up, and that pole, the longer it gets, the harder it is to try and get good stability of it. So gotta be pretty careful. I just kind of wish I had the set of tree spikes. Just kind of jacked my way up there, and I would have been able to get it, but so it's practically right next to the tree trunk. But there's no way to really get a drone in there because it's just too close. It's really tight in between the top and the lower branches. So, yep. All right, we'll give it another try here.